Hello, I'm Olivia Ross with CenterPoint Energy. Hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th. And just as CenterPoint Energy has a plan in place should a disaster strike, we encourage you to have one as well. Hurricanes can leave you without electricity, running water, and possibly food and shelter. So it's important to be prepared and have a plan in place. And that includes creating your own hurricane preparedness kit. Your kit should last you at least 3 days, if not longer, depending on the severity of the storm predicted. Here are some basic items that we recommend including in your kit. Water. We recommend including 1 gallon of water per person per day. Non-perishable food items, such as canned goods, snacks, and nuts, as well as a handheld can opener. Battery-powered items, such as flashlights, radios, as well as extra batteries. Paper plates, utensils, garbage bags, and paper towels should all be stored in waterproof containers to prevent them from getting wet. Also include hand sanitizer and a first aid kit that includes aspirin, antacids, and Band-Aids. Consider including special family needs as well, such as diapers, infant formula, or pet food. Place all of this in a waterproof container, such as a cooler like this one, and be sure to inventory your kit annually to ensure nothing is missing or expired. If you do have children, we recommend including games and coloring books such as these. Don't forget to include cash, contact information for family and friends, as well as your driver's license and state IDs just in case. For more information on hurricane preparedness and safety tips, visit centerpointenergy.com/storm center. We hope this information has been helpful and we thank you for watching.